I didn't got nervous at all because mock test which I prepared last night, it
Yep.
was the same exam, same test, and same essay which I got the next morning. And I
Oh,
was very excited seeing this.
okay.
So the prediction files are very great
Okay.
because all the essay which was from January prediction files
Mhm.
that came along, even to my friends as well.
You've got 86 in reading. Reading is one of the modules where everyone struggles. How did you manage to get 86 in reading? Any tips for reading, please? Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Jaideep with me, our online student from Melbourne. 88 overall in PT, 90 speaking, 86 in reading, 88 in listening, and 83 in writing. Congratulations, Jaideep. Very well done. A great score.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It really helped working with the Language Academy. Their mock test and their all of the stuff which I got was very helpful. And when I was in my test, I got good. I didn't got nervous at all because mock test which I prepared last night, it
Yep.
was the same exam, same test, and same essay which I got the next morning. And I
Oh,
was very excited seeing this.
okay.
So the prediction files are very great
Okay.
because all the essay which was from January prediction files
Mhm.
that came along, even to my friends as well. So
Yep.
it was very helpful for me. That gave me edge over my friends as well. So
Yep.
I recommended them the Language Academy. So hopefully they get good scores with Language Academy.
Thank you for that, Jaideep. Studying online can be slightly tough. I've seen that a lot of students are bit curious, a bit unsure that how will they be able to prepare for PT. You've studied online, you've got 86 in reading. Reading is one of the modules where everyone struggles. How did you manage to get 86 in reading? Any tips for reading, please?
The basic concept for reading is you are best on your tenses. You read a lot. Uh, I recommend reading books. It's very helpful for to get scores in the reading because you know about where to put the specific word.
Yep.
You need to learn about the meaning of the sentence.
Yep.
Sometimes if you are unsure about any word, just read the whole sentence, and whenever uh, from the options you when you find the best choice, you can put through, and it's very helpful. Moreover, the teacher which I got, Subi ma'am, she really helped me a lot, and she focused on my tenses and she focused on the articles, prepositions, and all. So this was really helpful in reading, getting good score in reading.
That's right. It's very important that we enhance our reading skills. It's not just about cramming a few rules and then going for it.
Yeah.
You need to make sure you understand the meaning of the passage, meaning of the context. As Jadeep has mentioned, you need to make sure if you're not able to figure out which word will go in the blank, try not to just read a few words before and after the blank, read the whole sentence. Try to establish the meaning and then select the right word. Right word choice is very important, but even important is you understand the context, you read the books, and you have a good command over grammar and language. Jadip, you have taken a number of mock tests as well. You got the feedback online. A lot of students ignore taking the mock test. They think, nah, I've just practiced, it's enough. I've watched a few videos, it's enough. How important are mock tests and how did mock tests help you crack your test?
See, mock tests are really, really important. So instead of sometimes if you are weaker in a particular section, like I had issues with my writing session, so I gave the extensive writing mock test. It
Hmm.
covers all the aspects of the writing mock test, from the way writing score is been picked up, whether it's read aloud, whether it's fill in the blanks and all that stuff. So it is very helpful in that case. Moreover, the results and the feedback given by the tutor as well as on the online portal are very helpful. You
Hmm.
can figure out where have you made the mistakes,
Yeah.
and moreover if you are putting the template as well as you have just before I was going to give my exam, the
Hmm.
template was changed because they were not picking up the keywords. So the new template with the all the stuff like benefit one, benefit two, and drawbacks,
Yeah.
just put it as it is, but it should be meaningful, and it should be also you can get tips from your various prediction file where you have put through the all the stuff. So yeah, it was really helpful.
That's right, Javed. That's 100% right. It's not just about taking the mock test, it's more about
That's
learning
so.
from the mock test. Because a lot of students just take the mock test, look at the scores, and they think they're all right. You need to make sure you take the mock test, you analyze where you have gone wrong, what mistakes you have made, where you actually lost the points, and work accordingly. And as Jaideep has mentioned, try not to use outdated templates. If you're using the templates now in essay, you need to make sure you have proper ideas as well. Just adding the keywords are not going to help you a lot. Templates here, you just have to put a few keywords, will not help you much. Make sure you use proper templates, proper structure, add proper ideas, and success will be yours. Jadip, any final tips, any advice? There are a lot of students in Melbourne, Perth, Brisbane, Adelaide, Sydney as well, who want to study online. They are a bit doubtful, and at the same time they have taken multiple attempts, they're not getting the scores. Any advice, any tips for them, please?
After COVID, the trend of online has really reached a high. So it's not a problem while you whether you study online or if you are given the same context, if you are given the same learning, really doesn't matter whether you are preparing online or whether you are preparing in person. I would really tell my friends all over who are preparing for PT that they should focus what their teacher give them the tips. Moreover, in the writing, specifically in writing, I forgot to mention one thing. There are various writing essays where the concept is very new for you. You don't get any ideas. But if you go to the prediction files and if you open the a sample response, if you don't have your own ideas, you can prepare that ideas from that. So that's what I need to say.
That's completely right. Very important. There are thousands of feature on Language Academy's portal. You just need to make sure you use them properly. As Jadip has mentioned, if you're practicing, if you're preparing for your essay, if you come across any of the topics you're not really sure what the right answer would be, just click on sample answers, sample ideas, suggested ideas. You'll get a whole bunch of ideas what can go in this particular essay topic. Write those down because there are very high chances whatever is there in the monthly prediction, as Jadip got the same essay in his test, you may get the same as well. Congratulations once again and all the very best, Jadip.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you. It was very helpful. Thank you, and thank you to your team as well.
No problem, guys. Remember this thing, if Jadip has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. You just need to make sure you are on the right track, you work hard, and work in the right direction as well. It's not just about working hard, it's working hard in the right direction under the right guidance, which will help you come over the line and get your desired scores. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and keep on practicing.